अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश पेज नंबर 71 रात पर ये लेसन अड़हना नाव छो फ्रॉम इलाइस इन वंडरलैंड आज पर बेहना The fall was over. She came now on a heap of sticks and dry leaves. The fall didn't seem to end. There was nothing else to do. So Eli soon began talking again. Dina miss me very much tonight. I should think Dina was the cat. I hope they will remember her saucer of milk at tea time. Dina, my dear, I wish you were down here with me. Elias was not a bit hurt. She couldn't see the rabbit and she found herself in a long, low hall, which was lit up by a row of lamps hanging from the roof. There were doors all around the hall, but they were all locked. She wondered how she could get out again. Suddenly she saw a little three-legged table on which was lying a golden key. She tried the key, but alas, either the locks were too large or the key was too small, but it would not open any of the locks. However, the second time around, she saw a low curtain, and behind it was a little door about 15 inches high. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her great delight, it fitted. Elias opened the door and found that it led into a small passage. She looked though and found a beautiful garden full of bright flowers and cool contents. She wanted to go there, but she was too big to enter the doorway. She went back to the table and found the bottle on which was written "Drink me" in large letters. She ensured that the bottle was not marked poison. She drank it and found herself shrieking. She was now the right size for going through the little door into the lovely garden. Elias got into the garden, but soon realized that she had forgotten the little golden key, and she went back to the table for it. She found she couldn't possibly reach it. So I fell on a table glass box was lying under the table. She opened it and found it a very small cake on which the words "Eat me" were beautifully marked. She ate the cake and got vigor to reach out of the golden key. Now she was too big to reach out of the door, simplified and abridged.